Welcome to CANVA's School of Business and Motivation. On this channel, we talk about business, we talk about success, and we talk about motivation. We share knowledge. So if you are new to this channel, please slash the subscribe button to subscribe and activate the notification bell so that anytime we release a video, you'll be the first person to be served. So keep watching. Hello guys, good morning and welcome once again to CANVA's channel. Like you saw it on the thumbnail, it is time to turn your phone to a money making machine. Yes, I know some people will say, oh, already they watch videos, they take surveys and they get some cents in dollar. That is already making money with their phone. But let me tell you, this is a business on its own, a real-time business. Yes, real-time business. And without wasting much time, let's dive into it. But before we start, let's ask ourselves some questions before we get there. So my first question is, do you purchase airtime for calling, testing, and internet bundle? Do you purchase airtime for this? The answer is yes. Obviously, we all do. Good. Now the second question. Do you know people who purchase airtime for calling, testing, and internet bundle? Definitely, the answer it is yes. No doubt. Good. We all have people who purchase airtime every day or every week. Even anything at all. You know one person, at least one person in your life who you communicate with or who calls you. That is it. The next question. How do you and people you know purchase airtime? How do we purchase airtime? Of course, via mobile money or from the merchant, and via some app, especially bank app. Now you can purchase airtime through your bank account. Good. The next question is, have you ever been paid for purchasing airtime? There is a little mistake here. Have you ever been paid for purchasing airtime? At this point, I think the answer for all of us, it is no. No, and no. If anything at all, maybe some bonus, airtime bonus that you can only use intranet. But being paid for purchasing airtime or having some cashback for purchasing airtime, no. No, it does not exist. Or if someone has ever come across that thing, please drop your comment in the comment section. And if you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to drop it there. So at this point, this is the opportunity. This question is taking us to the opportunity that you now purchase airtime and you get cashback, or you get commission, or you pay for that. That is where we are going to. So please, if you haven't subscribed yet to this channel, this is the time for you to subscribe so that you don't miss the videos that will be coming. A returning viewer and have not yet subscribed to this channel, please smash the subscribe button to subscribe and activate the notification bell. Very important. One thing is to subscribe, but another thing is to activate the notification bell so that you don't miss the videos that we publish. Right? And like, share, and put your comment in the comment section. Please, if you don't like the video, there is no problem, and you think that you have to give us a thumb down, please, you are free to do, but just drop a comment to tell us what we can do to improve on our delivery. So yes, we are where we have to now purchase airtime and get commission or get cashback. I think at this point it sounds good. Great. So we all agree that at this point the answer is no. We have ever been paid for purchasing airtime. Then the opportunity is coming to you. You are going to discover something unique. Something unique that will be bringing you passive income. And if you are serious about it, it will be a real business. Passive income all the time, every day, every hour. So please, once again, subscribe to the channel, activate the notification bell. Please activate the notification bell so that you don't miss the subsequent videos relating to this business. The opportunity is here. Welcome to Virtual AVS. Welcome to Virtual AVS. Virtual AVS. AVS stands for Airtime Vending Software. Yes, Airtime Vending Software. That is a software on an app where you purchase airtime, and whatever you purchase, you get some percentage back as commission. So yes, I would like to share this opportunity with you guys that will enable you and I to earn passive income from purchase of a product that we've been using for so long. A product that we purchase and we use it, and that is it. We don't get anything out of it. That is airtime. Yes, airtime. We've been purchasing airtime for so long and we don't get anything back. So this company, Virtual AVS, Virtual Airtime Vending Software, this company, there is a dealer in airtime, special dealer in airtime that approach telecoms in various countries, and they purchase airtime in bulk. So by doing so, when they purchase airtime in bulk, by doing so they get cashback or commission, if you like. So they want partners. They think that they can partner with us. They can get people and they dispense this airtime they purchase with them, and eventually the commissions that come with it. So at this moment, please bear in mind that this business is not about selling airtime. No, it's not about selling airtime. This business place is not about selling airtime. I repeated it again. This is an app. The business, Virtual AVS has created an app. An app whereby telecoms, almost 100 plus. Actually, we have more than 300 plus telecoms, but actually almost 100 plus telecoms have been comprised into this app. And where we purchase airtime flows through this app, we get commission, we get cashback for what you purchase. And when you refer people who also purchase airtime through the app, you get commission on whatever they purchase. That is the business. That is the core business. You purchase airtime, you get cashback. You refer someone to purchase airtime on the app, and you get commission. That is the business. Now, we move on to the value of a system, the value of this business. Yes, the value of a system lies in the use of it. Of course, if there is a system, you have to use it. And the value is when you use it. And a system that works wonderfully or covers has to be a one that is easy to use, yes, easy to explain and to duplicate. A system that does not compromise on integrity. That is how come the value of a system comes to play. Now, Virtual AVS. Let's really define here the Virtual AVS. The aim. So, Virtual AVS is a system that allows you to convert airtime users anywhere in the world to become your loyal customers, earning you passive income. think it is clear. Telecoms are now many, and if you have relatives, friends, family in any part of the world, know that you have customers, and when they purchase airtime, you get income. That is AVS. Virtual AVS is a distinguished world-class airtime vending software. Like I was saying, vending software. So it's a software vending, a software that sells airtime. So we are not selling a software. We purchase from the software, from the app. So the app is the software that is vending airtime. That is a vending airtime. So a world-class airtime vending software designed to give millions of airtime users global opportunity, globally an opportunity to earn from the ever-expanding telecommunication industry. Virtual AVS gives you a platform to monetize one of fastest moving consumer products in the world. That is, I think it's clear at this point. So the team behind AVS. So this is the CEO. There is the sheriff, the CEO. She has a degree in telecommunications and very passionate for IT. She has a strong managerial background in telecom industry. That is the CEO. And said Norwood, Director of Communication. Mr. Wood is his priorities have centered around education and community service. So this man has a very sound background in financial literacy. He teaches financial literacy, and these are the people behind the company. We have the founder here, Davis Angus, the director. These are the directors, William Garcia and Nelson Bogi. So let's look at the list of current mobile network operators in partnership with Virtual AVS. Like we're saying, the Virtual AVS is an app that comprises almost 100 plus telecommunication operators. So this is the list of mobile network in partnership with Virtual AVS. The target, I think, is 100 countries, yes, but so far it is only 30 countries that have been captured so far. Only 30 countries, and the target is 100 countries. So these are the network. If you go to Kenya, you have Safaricom, Airtel, Telcom with 97 million customers. Can you imagine that? Kenya alone, with these telecoms, they have 97 million customers. And these people purchase airtime every day, if not every week. Uganda, MTN, Africell, Airtel, 23 million customers. Tanzania, Zambia, South Africa, Ethiopia, and Nigeria. Look at the customers over there. The mobile users, 179 almost 180 million customers. Malawi, DRC Congo, Congo Brazzaville, and the list continues. Botswana, Ghana, we have 27 million users. Cameroon, Senegal, Mozambique, Jamaica, and all down to here, Philippines. See, Philippines 150 million customers. So these are this is a global network. A global network. And if you have, I mean, in this one of these or any of these countries, if you have friends, you have relatives there, you have business partners, and anytime they purchase airtime, you get commission. So we continue with Indonesia, Rwanda, Ivory Coast, Guinea, Conakry, and Swaziland. So that is the the network, customers or partners who can make you earn money, earn income. Okay, we continue with some statistics here. Revenue projection. By 2020, wireless telecom services are expected to generate more than $900 billion US dollars in revenues. And lo and behold, the telecom service market size at the end of 2020 at this value, 1.8 trillion in 2020, 1.83 trillion US dollars in 2020, where businesses were down, where businesses were struggling, where people are losing their job, where we were confined, where we were under lock down. Yet this industry is making huge money. Look at it. The projection was 900 and we got to 1.8. That is, more than double, more than 100%. And it is clear, when we were under lockdown, at that time, we purchase airtime like, even we don't purchase water like that, or food like that. We're under lockdown. The only thing you have to browse, do this. You have to be in touch with families and friends. That is where we even purchase airtime the more. So that is the kind of money the industry is making. And if the opportunity is here for us to also partake, I think we just have to grab it, because this an opportunity which, for me, I think it is sustainable. It is very, very sustainable. Or if it is not, please drop your comments down in the comment section. Once we are human beings, we are alive, we are on earth. Airtime, we are going to purchase it, we are going to use it, and use it and use it. And imagine that you refer people, you refer users, consumers who purchase airtime and you just get commission. But this is wonderful, man. This is very, very wonderful. So let's move on. That is the statistics. Let's move on and see. So, opportunity. Now, they are saying we should join the dining table. Join the dining table. Global users, global mobile users. There are 5.22 billion unique mobile phone users in the world today, according to the latest data from GSMA Intelligence. So that is how come they are making money. If you have this kind of users, 5.22 billion users, and all these people purchase airtime because you have to communicate, and communication is just like part of our blood today. It's just like a part of our blood. You want to get connected, you want to be on the news, you want to know what is going around. Is there any third wave of COVID-19? Is there any other diseases that is disturbing the world? What is happening here? What is happening there? You see, and the purchase of airtime is just like you can't do away with it. You prefer even buying, sacrificing your money to purchase airtime and sleep empty stomach, because that is our nature. It's like you have to be connected. You want to know what is going around. That is the way in which we are now, and the purchase of airtime is going to increase and increase again. So this, I think, an opportunity whereby when you grab this business and you can refer people to also join. I'm sure you get income. You get income, something definitely every month. You know that there is some other stream of income that will come your way, definitely. So they are saying we should join the dining table. Exactly. See, we have been. It just seems like, we purchase airtime. We are the people providing the meal by purchasing airtime. We purchase airtime, and then the diners are there. They are enjoying it. That is the telecom. They sit around the dining table. We just provide the meal by purchasing airtime, data, whatever, and they are enjoying. They are the diners. We just purchase airtime, then that is it. We just provide the meal, and that is it. And now they are telling us how we should join the dining table so that we can also, cut some part of the meat pie. And this is a good opportunity that we have to grab. Join the dining table so that from now on, when you purchase airtime, you don't just provide the meal, but at the end of the day, you can also get some pieces of it, which is great. So how to start? Let's get started. So what to start? You download the app, Virtual AVS app, from Google Play Store and sign up. Even I can send you the link. The link will be down this video. You click the link, it will take you to the correct app. You sign up and you start enjoying the app. So you download the app, you pay $69 for a user license, refer people and start earning from the powerful app. So that is it. And if you don't have 69 to buy the license, at least grab the link, download the app, go to the app, download the app, and have a customer account and start enjoying this. The only thing is that you have to get the license. You have to get the license. It's the license that will allow you to not get cashback on your airtime that you purchase, or for the commission on people you refer. So without the license, you just have a customer account, and you can only purchase airtime. You can even purchase airtime for others, but you not get cashback, you not get any commission unless you purchase the license. Then you become a partner, and you start getting commission. So start loading airtime using the app, covering hundreds of mobile operators. Like I said, in right now it's around 30 countries. The target is 100 countries. So and then after that, upgrade your account with $75 to start earning bulk airtime commission. So we'll actually talk about this one right now. How come you can upgrade? How you can upgrade this your license to 77 and have some passive income. Then you recommend the system. You recommend the system to friend, relative, everywhere, strangers, anyone you come across. Just it's a good thing. Definitely the person purchase airtime. So you just have to spread the word. Share it. Let people around you know that from now on they can purchase airtime and have some cash back. And if they refer someone to also purchase airtime from the same app, they can also get commission. And not only they get commission, you get commission on what they purchase. So I think it is quite clear here. Let's look at the customer purchase strategies. Customer strategies is you, like here, and the individual customer, the individual customers, people under you, and also corporate account. A corporate account, that is what we talk about, the bulk airtime system. So the customer is the lifeblood of our business. Any business at all, the customer is the lifeblood. Without customer, you can't survive. But you see, with this system, you are free. It's optional. You can decide not to talk to anyone. You can decide to keep it yourself, and whatever you purchase, you get commission of that on that, without even sharing it. But sharing it, you are making it a business. Sharing it, you are making it become a passive income to you, because just imagine the number of people purchase airtime day in, day out. That is it. So if you just create a customer account, like you download the app, you create your account, you are just a customer. You just purchase something, you just purchase airtime, and that is it. You purchase airtime, you don't get anything, you don't get commission. Yes, just purchase, just like simple customer. If you haven't got the license, just like a simple customer, you just purchase airtime, and that is it. That's why it's very important that you get the license, and from that moment, whatever you yourself you purchase, you get commission. You refer someone, the person download the app, purchase airtime, and then you get commission. So that is it for the strategy. We move on to the sales for growth. Sales for growth, like I was saying, you have to share. Sharing it will make it great for you. Sharing it will make it great very, very great. Look at it here. From here, that is you at the top, and then you have 5 business partners that you actually recommend, to the business. Now, you can recommend as many as you can. But the line referral, first line referral is 5 partners, and if these 5 partners, each of them refer 5, so let's look at it this way, like the first line, like first generation. Let's take it like the first line, first generation, which you can call generation maybe A, and this is your generation B. So in the generation B you have 25, and then in the C you have 125. In the 4, that is maybe CD, you have 625. So, and just like going now down till 15th generation. So the business AVS has made it possible for us to be earning commission from first generation till the 15th generation. And imagine at this point, the 4th generation, you have 625 partners. And imagine all these people purchase the license. I didn't even talk about that. When someone purchases the license, you get commission also. So let's take it from here. Like the first generation, these 5 people, they purchase the license, and then you get commission. And now they will purchase airtime. They will be purchasing airtime. That one is guaranteed. They will purchase airtime, so you get commission. Same, these people. Imagine each one of them purchase the license. You get commission. They purchase airtime. They get commission. Even if they don't purchase the license, and they purchase airtime alone, you are just there. If they purchase airtime alone, you get commission. So I think it is here everyone's choice. For me, this is a unique opportunity. That has never been existed. So, like I was saying, once again, if you download the app, you register as a customer, it doesn't earn you commission. Yet, you get used to the app. You see the widget on the platform and how they work. And I said it right now, the good thing is that you can purchase airtime for any person. You can purchase airtime, wherever the person is, to someone, somewhere. For instance, if I'm in Ghana, someone is like in Ivory Coast, Cameroon, Uganda, I can purchase airtime for the person. That is the power of the system. I just need the purchase number, the person's number, and that is it. From the app, I can purchase airtime for the person. So please, if you have any questions, any comment, drop it in the comment section, and we'll all discuss and see how we can make this opportunity a lifetime business. I mean, it is there. It will be there. It will be there. So, like I was saying, the customer account doesn't qualify you for commission. You need to buy the license, and then you start enjoying the commission. So that is the sales growth. Like I was saying, you need to share the business, and you have to share the business just like I'm doing it now. I'm sharing it with you. You just have to share it. You just have to do it, and if you do that, get commission. I said it from the first generation to the 15th generation. So that is it, and you enjoy commission like that. It's not about, getting it and play with it out, just like being there. Maybe get one partner in a month or 2 months. No. This is a real business. You have to be serious about it. Share it and get people on board. That's where you enjoy the use of it. I got my license. I start enjoying the benefit, honestly. So let's move on to see the compensation plan. So like I was saying, if you get, once you buy the license, the $69, once you pay the $69 here, once you purchase the license, $69, you automatically unlock 2 streams of income, 2 streams of commissions. You unlock 2 streams of commissions: the license commission and the airtime commission. And if you upgrade your account with $75, then you qualify for the bulk airtime commission, which we'll talk about right now. So the sales for that is it. I explained this. Let's look at the compensation plan. The compensation plan is here. These are the levels: license commission and airtime commission. Like I just said, you purchase $69 license, you are to get these 2 commissions: license commission, airtime commission. When you purchase the license, you don't get commission on the purchasing on the purchasing of the license. You get commission when you buy airtime float. So this is it. Once you get your license, you purchase airtime, you get 0.5% commission on what you purchase, and it ranges from $0.1 to $20. You get 0.5 commission. And if you purchase more than that, any flow that you load above $20, you get 5%. This is 5% commission you get. Any load, any float that you load over $20, you get 5% commission at a go. So that is the compensation plan, the commissions once you get your license. So if you refer someone, like we saw, we talk about it, the first generation. This is the first generation. You have 5 people. So once someone purchases the commission, you get $10. You refer someone, the person purchases the license, you get $10 on the as commission. So imagine that your first generation, you have 5 partners under you who purchase the commission. You get $50. It's just like you get your license money back. With just 5 or 6 people purchasing the license, you get your license money back. Your investment, the $69 you put in to buy the license, you get it back. Once you get at least 6, you are $60. So that is the license commission. And if these people in your first generation, once they purchase airtime, you get 0.4% on any purchase they make. The second generation, when they get the license, you get $4 for them purchasing the license. And when they load airtime floats, you get 0.4%. From third generation to 10th generation, you get $2 for the license commission and 0.4% on airtime float. And from the 11th generation to the 15th generation, you get $1 for the license commission and the 0.4% on the airtime float. So that is the plan for the $69 license. Now, for the bulk airtime, let me explain the brain behind this. The bulk airtime commission, it is something the company Virtual AVS thought about. They spoke with the telecoms. They said, look, now there are companies, corporates, there are corporates that purchase bulk airtime for their business and for their staff. Especially we witnessed that during the COVID, whereby people had to work from home and they need airtime in order to deliver. So AVS spoke with these companies and they said, look, we'll be buying bulk airtime for corporate. So when we do, just like we'll be doing with the airtime, now we want to take the bulk for corporate. And yes, it's a good idea. The telecoms agreed and they say, okay, fine. So when we purchase the bulk airtime, then we get commission. And that is where this bulk airtime commission comes to play. And for doing that, they needed capital, this bulk actually. So they need capital in order to start this. So that's where the upgrade of the license comes in. So if you upgrade your license with $75, so that is when you add $75 to the $69, the company draws $55 out of that and put it in a pool. That pool is that forms the capital. So they put $55 in it. The $20 is just like tax. So the $55 in a pool forms the capital, and they use that now to purchase the bulk airtime. So with that, if you upgrade your license, you are here. So if you upgrade your license, you get 3% commission. Yes, on the $55 as your contribution towards the capital. So you get 3% on as a bulk airtime commission. So if you refer people, your referrals, like people, your partners, your business partners, the business partners under you, when they also upgrade their license from the first generation to 10th generation, when they update their license, you get 1% commission on the $55. And from the 11 to 14, you get 0.5% on their $55, and the 15th generation, you get 1%. So this bulk airtime commission is payable every 15th of the month. Once it's payable only once the month, on the 15th of each month. So they just cumulated it and pay to you at that time. I mean, on the 15th of every month. While the airtime commission and the license, you get it immediately. You get it immediately. Someone purchase airtime or get the license. Those commissions, you get it immediately. And for the bulk airtime commission, they will be accumulated and paid to you on the 15th of the month. So this is something that is there for you. So once they get the license, you are guaranteed for that commission, regardless if they purchase airtime or do not purchase airtime. You get this bulk airtime commission. So, and then remember that this is something that is for the license. I mean, I didn't mention this. The license is for 24 months. Yes, the license is for 24 months. I would not mention it somewhere here, but just want to let you be aware that the license that you purchase is for 24 months. So it's not one time purchase. No, it runs for 24 months. After 24 months, you have to renew your license. So that is how come the license works. And remember, that is, I want to let you look at it this way. You renew your license after 24 months, and your partners that you have under you, your first generation till 15th generation, those partners are going to renew their license after 24 months, and when they do, you get commission on the renewal, aside the purchase of airtime. So, and obviously the new partners will be coming in, will be buying the license, and then the airtime, and that's where you'll be making your money. So let's look at this commission projection table. So we're talking about this at the top. First level, that's your first generation. You have 5. So these 5 partners, when they purchase the license, you have the license commission, which is $10 per partner. So 5 partners, first level, that is the total commission, $50. That was what I just said. That when you get 5 Cs, you get your license money back. So first level, 5 partners, $50 when they purchase the license. Airtime, that is monthly airtime commission. So on the assumption that they purchase like $20 airtime, $20 airtime that they purchase. So that is the commission you get on one partner. That is this. So this is the monthly airtime commission per level. So the first level you have 0.4 on the assumption that they purchase $20 airtime. So remember, when we come to this table, here you have 0.4% airtime commission. So there are 5. So 5 times $20 times 0.4. So you get $0.4 for the 5. And the airtime bulk airtime commission for the first level, the 5, you get this. Remember, you get 1% on the $55 each time. 1% on the $55 each time they upgrade their license. So that is it. So 1% of $55 times 5, you get this. So the second generation you have 25, and then it goes on like that. So this deck projection, you can see. Let's see something like here. Let's assume that you have up to 5th generation here, which gives you 3,125 partners, business partners. Business partners, and see what you can get as license commission. Here 3,000. Here 3,125 partners. You just get this one. Just make the total and see the kind of money you make. And when they upgrade their license, see here what you can get from the 1st generation to the 5th generation. And if you get to 10, this one is a projection on even 10th generation. We are not talking about up to 15th, the 10th generation. See what the kind of money you can expect. This is 24. This $24,414,150. Just for the license commission. Just for the license commission. If you have like up to 10 generation and each one of them purchase the license, this is what you can expect. And the monthly commission when they purchase airtime, this is the kind of money we can expect. So guys, I think this is a very good opportunity. We have to grab and work at it seriously by referring people, by sharing it around and get partners on board. Okay, the success step. We are here. First, like I said, the link is down below this video. You just have to grab the link, download the app. It will take you to the App Store. You download the app, or even you can download the app without even taking the link. Download the app, you purchase the license, and you are good to go. You recommend friends and relatives, and you earn commission on airtime they spend. Or when they get the license, you get commission. Load airtime. Make sure that you load airtime using the Virtual AVS system to generate airtime commission. Yes. Once you get this one, there's no need purchasing airtime through your mobile money or whatever. So you go to the app, you purchase airtime, and you get commission. That is it. Now, the registration process. So once you download the app, it will ask you to enter your name and your email address. Once you do that, it will take you to this screen. You are seeing here this one. So you enter your username, your first and last name, select your country flag, and then you put your number. So the country flag comes with the code. So you just have to put the number here. You enter your email address, you confirm your email address, you enter your referral phone number here. Like if I am the one referring you, you enter my phone number here, which I have here, my phone number. You just have to enter my phone number here. Then you put your password, and then you confirm your password. Then you confirm your password, and you are good to go. Registration is free. You don't need to pay anything to register. Then you have a customer account. Once you have a customer account, you can purchase airtime. So after confirming your password, there will be a verification code sent to your mail, one-time password that you have to put here to validate your account. So once you confirm your password, you go to your mail, you get the code, the OTP code, and then you enter it into this screen. From here, it will take you to this screen. So you just have to enter the code and submit. Then you have your customer account, which is here. So that's how it looks alike. That is your customer account. Once you confirm once you activate your account, so you have this as a customer account. So if you upgrade the license, then you have something like this. This one, you have something like this once you upgrade your account. But before you upgrade your account, you have a customer account which is like this. So you see these 4 widgets. These 4 widgets: buy services, announces, where you see the communiques and the publications. So buy services, sell services. That's like I was saying, you can purchase airtime for someone. That is not, it's like selling airtime, but that is not the core activity or core business here. This one is just like you can purchase airtime here for someone somewhere, or purchase for someone, sell it to someone and get the money. That is it. And here you have the AVS wallet, which your UPLINE can send you money into, so that you can use it to buy your license if you like it that way. You can also use it as it's a wallet. You can be depositing money in it a bit by bit. You can put $5 today, $2 the next, till you get $69, and you use it to purchase the license. So, and then you have this icon here, which is for support. Anything you want to ask, just write it here, and then they will attend to you. So that is how the customer account looks like. Then from here, you want to buy service. You want to buy service, like here. This is the main icon, buy service, that you'll be using a lot. So buy service, it will take you to this screen. So you buy float, you buy your own airtime, that is for your number that you register with. You can check your float balance here, and then this where you can buy your license. So if you want to buy your license, you click on this icon, and then it will take you to this invoice. This invoice. This is where you choose the method you want to use to buy or purchase the license. So here you have buy AVS. So that is the virtual AVS money dollar. You can buy, like I was saying, if you buy it, you press here, you buy AVS dollar, it will be in your wallet. This is the wallet. So that's I explained just now that you can be buying the dollar small, you can be putting dollar here small. So that's where here you buy the dollar. Here you buy the dollar, and then it will reflect in your wallet. So so that is it. So the float, let me be clear here for the float. That is the float is like when you purchase the float, it's like you have some buckets. It's like a bucket where you put your money in, or your airtime in. So from the float, you can now use the float to purchase airtime for any number. That is how it works. So first of all, when you get here, you want to buy service, you click here, it will take you here. So when you press on buy float, it will take you to a screen where you buy the float either by mobile money, Bitcoin, a Visa or MasterCard, and so on. So you purchase the float, it will be like a bucket there where you have your money, and you use that money now to buy airtime for anyone, anywhere, any number that is welcome. So that is it. So for the license, I was saying you press here buy all license, and it will take you to this invoice here. So pay via AVS wallet. Like I was saying, you can be putting money small in your AVS wallet by purchasing the AVS dollar there, or you can purchase the license through Visa, MasterCard, via mobile money, via BTC, Bitcoin, and also by license reseller. Someone who has bought several licenses, you can buy like 2, 3, 4 licenses and go down, then resell it. So someone who has like license can tell that, okay, I have license, I want to sell it. So you use this option to buy the license. So once you purchase the license, I just showed this one. Yes, you come here, so it will give you access to this other widgets. Remember, for the customer account, you only have access to these 4, where you can only purchase airtime, and that is it. No commission gain. You can purchase airtime for any other person. But once you upgrade your license, you have access now to all the functionalities here. So sign up link, that will be where you get your referral link, and then the sales force people or the partners, business partners under you. So anytime someone register on or purchase the license, you see them here. You see them when you click this widget. Then commissions. So the commissions, yes, commission, airtime commission, license commission, they will appear here. When you click here, you see them in categories. So you see the airtime commission, and then you see the license commission and the bulk airtime commission. They will be here. So this is the AVS wallet. So whatever apart from the float, whatever money you have, it will be your AVS wallet. Whatever commissions you get, they will all come to the wallet, AVS wallet. The airtime commission, the license commission, whatever you get, they will be brought to your wallet. And this, the upgrade, the $75 I was talking about. So if you want to upgrade to $75 and start earning the bulk airtime commission, you click on this icon, and then it will take you to this invoice where you can use your AVS wallet, Visa, MasterCard, mobile money, Bitcoin to upgrade your license. So that is it. That is how it works. So this is a screenshot of virtual AVS wallet. How the commissions are earned here. Airtime commission, you see here, all these ones, they are airtime commission. This a sample of someone's wallet, a screenshot. So you see the amount he has earned. Yes, it may look small, but I can guarantee you that the number of partners that you have under you, and then the frequency at which they purchase airtime, that is what counts here, because it's just about fraction of minutes or second. In a second or in a minute, more than 10, 20, 100 partners can buy airtime. And imagine, it will be like small, but when you put them together, it is a lot of money. So this someone wallet. You can see the balance in the wallet, the volume of transactions. This is just airtime. Good. So that is the AVS wallet. So whatever you have in your wallet, this is how you can withdraw it. This is the screen, how to withdraw your commission. So you have 2 ways of withdraw your commission. One, withdraw via mobile money, minimum $10. So once you have $10 commission in your wallet, you can withdraw to your mobile money wallet, and you can also withdraw via bank account. And for the bank account, the minimum is $20. So that is it. So it's for the Momo, press here. For the bank, you press here, and then you draw your commissions. So commission payment. So the commission, like I said, it will come to your AVS wallet, and this the money, how the money comes, and then this how it goes out. So license commission, it will come to your AVS wallet. Airtime commission straight to the wallet. Work airtime commission to the wallet, and P2P recipient. So like I was saying, if your UPLINE want to send you money for you to buy the license, so you can send you money and it will come to the wallet. Then from the wallet, this is how you can also send it out to someone, P2P, send him, yes. And then to buy airtime float, yes. And then to buy license, and also you withdraw to mobile money or to your bank account. So that is a summary of how the AVS wallet works. And we come to the end of this presentation. Thank you very much for watching. One thing is to be presented with an opportunity, but a very important thing, the other thing is to take action. And the first step is what is very important. Once you take one step, you know that you are on your way to your objective. So take action now. Download the app, have a customer account, start going through the widget to see how they are, update your license, refer members, refer business partners, and start making money. On that note, thank you and God bless you.